Hello everyone, my name is Muon, and welcome to my crochet chick tutorial. What's extra fun about this project is that you can use the eggshell as both something for the chick to sit on and a hat, which is why the more of these adorable little guys you make, the merrier. Now let's get into it. Start off by making a magic circle. Into the circle, make 6 single crochets. Tighten the circle by pulling on the tail end. Starting to increase, put 2 single crochets together in each of the 6 stitches in this round to reach a total of 12. Make 1 individual single crochet in the first stitch, then 2 single crochets together in the second stitch. Repeat this unit of 3 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 18 stitches. In the first stitch, put 1 individual single crochet. In the second stitch, put another individual single crochet. Then in the third stitch, put 2 single crochets together. Repeat this unit of 4 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 24 stitches. Put 1 individual single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then in the fourth stitch put 2 single crochets together. Repeat this unit of 5 6 times so that by the end of the round you have a total of 30 stitches. Now you're going to make 7 rounds of 30 single crochet, or for the next 7 rounds put 1 single crochet into each stitch. For the first 8 stitches, you're going to make 1 individual single crochet in each, then you're going to decrease starting in the 9th stitch and joining into the 10th stitch. You're going to repeat this 3 times in total so that by the end of the round you have 27 stitches. Make one individual single crochet in the first 3 stitches, then join the 4th and the 5th stitches together to decrease, and then stitches 6, 7, 8, and 9 are all going to be made individually. You're going to do this a total of 3 times so that by the end of the round you have 24 stitches. You're going to put one individual single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then decrease starting in the 3rd stitch, joining into the 4th stitch. You're going to do this 6 times in total so that you have 18 single crochets by the end of the round. Go ahead and add your stuffing. Make one individual single crochet in the first stitch, then decrease joining the 2nd stitch into the 3rd stitch. Do this a total of 6 times so that by the end of your round you have 12 stitches. At this point, you can add a bit more stuffing if you need to. Now we're going to decrease into every stitch, so join the 1st stitch into the 2nd stitch, then do this 6 times so that by the end of the round we have a total of 6 stitches. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Now it's time to weave in your ends. Make sure that you're sealing the top of your project. Start off with a slip knot. Make a chain of 4. We are now going to be working in the back bumps of the chain. So again, working in the back bumps, we're going to skip the very first chain because that's our turning chain. Then we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, and then 1 more double crochet. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Repeat steps 18 through 21 to make your second wing. Start off with a magic circle. Then single crochet 6 times into the center of the circle. Tighten the circle by pulling on the tail end. Now in the very first stitch of that round, you're going to make 1 slip stitch. And cut your yarn. Repeat steps 23 to 27 to make your second foot. Once again, we're making a magic circle. Into that circle, put 6 single crochets. Tighten the circle by pulling on the tail end. Starting our increase, we're going to put 2 single crochets together in each stitch of this round to eventually reach 12 stitches. Now you're going to put 1 single crochet by itself in the first stitch, and then 2 single crochets together in the second stitch. You're going to repeat this unit of 3 6 times, so that by the end of the round you have a total of 18 stitches. Make 1 individual single crochet in the first 2 stitches, then put 2 single crochets together in the third stitch. Repeat this unit of 4 6 times so that by the end you have a total of 24 stitches. Make 1 individual single crochet in the first 3 stitches, and then put 2 single crochets together in the fourth stitch. You're going to repeat this unit of 5 6 times so that by the end you have a total of 30 stitches. From here, make 4 rounds of 30, or for the next 4 rounds, put 1 individual single crochet into each stitch. We're now going to be making 15 picot stitches all around the rim of the shell, and don't worry, I'll be showing you how to make a picot step by step. Start off by making a chain 3. Skipping the first 2 chains, slip stitch into the back bump of the third chain. Now we're going to work back into the single crochets, so you're skipping 1 stitch and then slip stitching into the second stitch. That was 1 picot, so we're going to start again by chaining 3. Skipping the first 2 chains, slip stitch into the back bump of the third. Going back to the single crochet round, we're going to skip the first stitch and slip stitch into the second. Now you're going to repeat this entire sequence 13 more times so that by the end of our round we have a total of 15 picots. Go ahead and cut your yarn. Now you're going to weave in your ends. Before embroidering on your beak, it can be helpful to position the wings and feet just so that you know where everything should go. Next, cut a piece of orange yarn. Sew 3 horizontal loops that layer on top of each other to create the beak. I like to adjust the placement of the wings and feet based on the beak. Now you're going to attach the wings and feet to the body. Cut 2 eyes out of black felt. Now you're going to glue those eyes onto the face. And now you're all done! You did an excellent job! If you enjoyed this video and want to make sure you keep getting content like this, please like, subscribe, comment, and share! You can also support me by donating to my Ko-fi. I've been Muon. I'll be wishing you all the happiness in the world. I hope you have a nice day.